Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see the order by clause. In last few lectures we have started how to write the SQL queries, what is the standard format of writing the SQL queries. Select clause we have seen, then where clause, from clause that we have seen, string operations also we have seen. Now today we are going to see the order by clause. So ordering nothing but to arrange the data or to display the data either in ascending order or descending order. So for example, if I want to display the data in ascending order, then select distinct customer name from borrower loan ordered by customer name. So here customer name will be shown by from borrower and loan table, but all the customer names will be displayed in the ascending order. Default order is ascending order. So if I use order by clause, then by default the data will be displayed in ascending order. If I want to display the data in descending order, then select star from loan order by amount DESC keyword that we have to use to display the data in the descending order. In this way, order by clause is used to display the data in either ascending order or descending order. Next type of operation that we can perform in SQL is called as select operations. There are three types of operations which are set operations. First is union, then intersection and then except. These are very much similar to set theory. Union means it unite or it combines the data from more than one tables, or the outputs of more than one query can be combined by using unique keyword. Intersection, if we want to show the common data from two tables, then intersection is used. If I want to show the data which are present in one table but not in table 2 or vice versa, then except operation is used. Now see how we can use union operation. For example, select customer name from depositor. This is one query. It will show some output, or rather it will show the customer names from depositor. Union, select customer name from borrower. So second query display the customer name from the borrower table, and in between we have used union operation. That means the output or customer name from depositor get merged or unite with customer name from borrower. There are two variations of union operation, union and union all. In union, if we combine the outputs of two queries, then it eliminates the duplicates. On the contrary, in union all the duplicates will be retained. Next operation is intersect operation. So select customer name from depositor, intersect, select customer name from borrower. So the customer name who are present in depositor and borrower table will be displayed here. So intersections show you the common data between common customer names in depositor and borrower table. There are again two variations of intersect. Intersect which avoid the repetitions or duplicate data, and intersect all which eliminate the duplicates. Third operation is except operation. To find all customers who have an account but no loan at bank, we write except operation is used when one data is present in one table but not in another table, then except operation is used. For example, select customer name from depositor except select customer name from borrower. So after execution of this query, you will get all the customer names who are present in depositor but not in borrower. Again here there are two variations, except and except all. So, except removes the elimination and except all retains the elimination. Thank you for listening.